Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor, aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Swiftcloud chain token. Now this token is on the Binance Smart Chain. Name of the token is Swiftcloud, all one word. We're going to go over the information on this token and how you can get it, because tomorrow this token is getting a brand new central exchange listing on a very big central exchange. So we're going to go over all that in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here, the Swiftcloud chain token. So this token, like I said, is on the Binance Smart Chain. So even though it says Swiftcloud chain, you would assume it's a blockchain coin, but it is actually on the on BSC. Right now it says 24 holders, so it's a very brand new project. 18 decimal places on this token, and there is a max total supply of 63 million tokens. Now, ticker symbol is SC2, and this token is getting listed tomorrow, December 29th at 10 o'clock UTC time on a very big central exchange called Mexc Global. So if you're looking to get this token and you don't have an Mexc Global account, I do have an Mexc Global referral code down there in the description box. You're welcome to use that if you like. Basically, all you'd have to do to get this token is simply go right through that Mexc Global referral code down there, open an account, fund your account with USDT, go into the trade section and search SC2, and then simply just buy the token. Now, if you go to their webpage, swiftcloudchain.com, you can find their Twitter, their Telegram, and you can also find a full document section at the bottom of the page that'll take you over to swiftcloud.gitbook.io/Swiftcloud. So it says the range of applications where blockchain technology can be applied has been widening. Now, it goes over kind of the history of blockchains here, but we don't really need to go over that. Let's talk about this token specifically. So it says our goals. We want to make Swiftcloud blockchain platform flexible, extensible, scalable, secure, and better. And here's what we mean. So by flexible, we mean it should be easily modifiable. So the system parameters to accommodate different deployment scenarios, like the constraints on paratime nodes. We want this to be extensible, so the system should be reasonably easy to extend by adding new components to implement different functionalities, semantics, example, different paratimes or different computing techniques. We want this to be scalable, so the total transaction throughput of the system should increase with the total number of nodes, ideally in a linear fashion. Even for complex transactions, scalability is a form of efficiency at scale, since it allows the system to grow without incurring expenses and driving up the transaction costs. And then we got secure. So the system should be able to effortlessly secure policies that are impossible for earlier blockchain systems to secure, allowing a greater breadth of applications. In particular, in addition to the supporting verifiable computations, the system also supports the ability to perform those computations in a private way using confidential state inputs. Furthermore, our system's architecture implements should make design choices in favor of simplicity when feasible. This makes a review of implementation audits more practical and effective and isolated. Fault isolation is a basic component of fault tolerance. We want our system to be fault tolerant both in terms of security and isolation. So the security vulnerabilities in one component should not compromise the security of another component. And in other terms, the performance fault isolation so that the performance problems in one component does not affect the performance of the rest of the system. The combination of flexibility and extensibility allows the development of the additional paratimes in the different security performance and usability trade-offs, in particular the support of the confidential smart contracts and improved isolation properties provides both developers and users more choices in the types of applications that can be built using the Swiftcloud blockchain platform. So a lot of these tokens or these blockchains, they come out with a token first. It's kind of like, I guess you could call it like a Kickstarter or like a crowdfunding thing. They see people want to invest in the Binance Smart Chain token or, Ethereum or whatever blockchain they put out the token on. And then later on, they're going to migrate or transfer or just, start a side project up of their own chain later on. So when you go over their white paper, first of all, the punctuation on their white paper needs a lot of work. It's kind of like run-on sentences. It's hard to read. It's a very brand new project, though, so I'll cut them a little slack. But they start out with this blockchain that they're trying to make, but they start out with the crowdfunding like BSC token. And so that is, if you believe in what this project is offering or going to make, then you might invest in the token. So that's, you get the idea. Anyways, it says, we presented an overview of the Swiftcloud blockchain's platform modular architecture. The main design goals are flexibility, extensibility, scalability, security, and privacy, and improved isolation, flexibility, and extensibility for allowing incremental engineering investments and migration paths to long-term optimizations and additional scalability improvements. Scalability to be more efficient, effective, and able to address higher workload, security, and privacy for verifiable and how many big words in a row here? Confidential computing and improved isolation for better fault tolerance. Now, if you were to actually look at what I just read, it's a huge run-on sentence with no punctuation. It's very hard to read. But yeah, you can check it all out at swiftcloud.gitbook.io. It might be translated from another language and, somebody just didn't know, punctuation or whatever. But their partners are Binance, Excel, Polychain Capital, A16Z. They have, privacy, security to go through all the stuff. So their blockchain is built for developers. You can scale quickly and easily. And you can check out their Explorer. They have a link to it and see if they have anything on there yet. You can change the language on their page. And you can find this token, the Binance Smart Chain one, SC2, newly listed as of tomorrow on Mexc Global. So check out all the referral codes down there, especially that Mexc Global one. Make sure you guys like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And leave a comment down there. What do you guys think about this project? And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.